This video is to show how to check pump rotation on your Henkelman floor model machines. Our floor models are Polar and Marlin series. The Polar and Marlin series are three-phase units, which three-phase units could cause the pump to rotate backwards on initial startup. We'll go over on how the pump would sound if it's going backwards and what to do to correct that. At the back of the pump, there is a sticker specifying pump rotation. However, to the naked eye, it could be difficult to catch. The best way to check if your pump is rotating incorrect is by the sound. Right now, we are going to turn on the machine, and this is what it's going to sound like if your pump is rotating backwards. The machine will also automatically turn off the pump if it detects that it's rotating backwards. This is to protect the machine from further damage. So if your machine sounds like it did in the previous clip, then your pump is rotating backwards. We advise you contact your local electrician and explain to them that you have a three-phase pump that's rotating backwards. Your electrician would know what to do next. Once the electrician comes in and fixes the phases at the receptacle, your machine should sound like this. And once it's turned on and running correctly, the pump, it'll work.